আগের দিন দেওয়া কথা মতো আজ চলে এলাম অ্যাপেল জুস কিভাবে বানিয়েছিলাম তার ভিডিও নিয়ে। এই হলো সেই অ্যাপেল জুস, আমরা বোতলে ঢালছি। তো চলো বন্ধুরা দেখে নি কেমন করে বানিয়েছিলাম। অ্যাপেল জুস ভরা হচ্ছে।
Okay. It's a shame you can't sit on this thing and then someone would, weigh you down and someone else can turn.
The kids on there.
Yeah. Like we sometimes have to do.
ফাইনালি আমরা 3 লিটার অ্যাপেল জুস পেয়েছি। আর সত্যি এটা বানাতে কিন্তু বেশ কঠিন, কষ্টই হয়েছে আমাদের বানাতে। প্রথম দিকে ভেবেছিলাম অ্যাপেল জুস বানানোটা খুব সহজ কাজ, কিন্তু তারপর দেখলাম যে না, ব্যাপারটা অতটা সহজ নয়।
Throw them on the floor either.
Oh, so we are going to make another apple juice. Like my other friend making apple. Oh, there's some apple juice on me.
So you know how to do it already, Srishti.
Yeah. Queen also knows, baby. Can I spin it and just it's in a hole?
Only adults are allowed to spin it because it's very sharp.
সৃষ্টি নিজেই সব কিছু করতে চাইছে।
We need some apple transporters.
Here's some apple. Here's a big apple. And a
Don't
one
move
and
the
a
apples
two.
across.
I break it.
We'll start turning, but we have to be very careful to hold this.
This time the whole apple. This time I have to.
Okay, so be careful now. We need one to hold these two. You can hold there. Maybe you can take one side. Yeah.
Wait. I have to put my finger. It's perfect.
Okay, hold on tight. Otherwise, you might knock them. See, there it goes into the bag.
It's getting crushed. I can see that.
Gosh, okay, mind your head here, because otherwise.
There's a whole apple instead. This is our
Right, here we go.
This is not the same. It's only some dogs and apples this day. Boys, the apple? Can't say. That's that. Oh, I can see it. But it's like a. Look at like an apple pool. Look at the apple pool. This thing. It's a little dog thing. Yeah, all of them are dancing and being crossed into pieces. The ones that are in
The main
top
thing
are
is
safe.
not to put your hands in there because that's very tricky.
অনেক অ্যাপেল ভর্তি করা রয়েছে এখানে, অ্যাপেল জুস বানানো হচ্ছে।
I can see it. Yeah, I see it.
And the last one. Yeah. Next lot. Let's cut some more apples.
Some apple
বেশ
juice.
অনেকটা অ্যাপেল আমাদের একেবারে কেটে নিতে হয়েছিল। ও, শুড আই হোল্ড ইট? ইউ নিড?
Mind your head.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah.
Look at the crushed popcorn.
পপকর্ন?
Yeah. Look at crushed popcorn. No, it's more look like popcorn instead of crushed. Popcorn maker.
And then you have to find the hole. Yeah, you're in. You're in. Yeah. Watch out! It's going everywhere. Well, they'll be filtered out anyway. Yeah.
We'll press it down.
Well, if we try and start.
Probably the first press will
Yeah, we'll just
already
have
get rid of
to-
some.
Maybe you can't because it needs to go within the wood.
Oh,
So,
Press by hand.
yeah.
how they used to do with their feet. So.
Yeah, exactly. Like in Spain at the
I
grape
tried a bit of
harvest.
stuff as well. We used to be filtered out.
Everybody's jumping on it. That's why you don't drink wine, I suppose. You don't know who's been standing on it.
Yeah. That's the next sound here. That's cool.
অলরেডি জুস
Yeah.
বেরোনো।
Yeah, it's just really pressure, yeah.
অ্যাপেলগুলো কাটিং করাই একটু টাফ, তারপর ওই জুসারটার মধ্যে দেয়া হয়। ব্যাপারটা খুব মজা।
Who wants to step that be next?
Yes, we're making apple juice.
হুম,
2.
Oh. This is like the same stuff, but they're
Light
putting
on top.
bricks on it.
This is for the turner afterwards. So then we have to put the
এটা ধরো, তুমি এটা ধরো মামা, এই ক্যামেরাটা ধরো এবার। হোল্ড দিস।
Okay. So here is to take those blocks again.
Yeah, we might have to take those back
Aiden,
if we can't go.
say hi to the other camera. Hi.
So now Aiden can start off. So you need to go back slightly. Gently turn around, and then we press everything down, and
Don't
you can see
forget
the
in my
apple juice
video.
coming out already. Here.
Subscribe my
So don't look
video.
into the bowl.
Subscribe and hit the like
Careful,
button.
careful. Yep.
And I did. It's getting quite busy. Yeah. We have to keep
Can you see the apple juice coming
And
out?
Aiden is here's all.
Yeah.
And then I'll
Here's
Okay.
all the trying this.
you see the juice coming out.
Go back a bit.
Ow.
Not too fast.
Let's see the juice.
Yeah, there's the juice coming out at the bottom. You see?
I think it's Oh,
Careful.
apple juice.
Careful, he's coming around with his stick. So
Here's the apple.
careful, back a bit.
মামা
So-
তুমি করো একটু।
Okay. Somebody has to hold the camera.
Yeah.
Who wants to?
Okay.
Srishti, have a go.
Yeah, just a bit, and then we have to put the other
Yeah.
blocks in. So that has to stay in the hole. Yeah, careful, go back a bit, and gently turn. Yeah, very good.
প্রথম দিকে আমার মনে হয়েছিল ব্যাপারটা খুব ইজি, বাচ্চারাও এটা ঘোরাতে পারছিল, কিন্তু যত এটা ঘোরানো হচ্ছিল কিছুক্ষণ বাদে ওটা খুব হার্ড হয়ে গেছিল।
Now I'm filming.
তারপর বুঝলাম অ্যাপেল জুস বার করাটা বেশ কষ্টসাধ্য এবং সময় সাপেক্ষ কাজ।
Where? I can't see.
Oh, there's a little bit. We'd fish that out afterwards.
Fishlet?
To the sieve.
What's a fishlet?
So,
Tell what's a fishlet? What's a fishlet?
I'm going to go and get the sieve.
Does anyone know what a fishlet? Not me. What's a fishlet?
a fish? No, there's no fish in there.
No, a fishlet. You said a fishlet.
I don't know what you mean by fishlet.
Guys.
Start going around. Who wants to step that be next?
Me.
And one at a time. Which is
Oh, it's broken.
okay.
Oh, it got
You
bad
can
next.
see, go around gently again.
Oh, hi, Hayden.
Going. There's one. Oh, the wasp also have discovered.
Alva, do you want to say something to the camera?
Go sideways a bit.
Alva, do you want to tell something? That is funny. But it won't be so funny if you tilt it again. What else funny? Anyways, let's see the colors for leaves. Here's the first leaf.
Juice coming out.
Okay, here. Now you're going to see a blue leaf. Blue leaf even is this.
সৃষ্টি দেখাতে চাইছে একটা গাছের পাতার কত রকমের রং হয়,
First the leaves.
কখনো সেটা নীলাভ, কখনো হলুদ, কখনো
Now
সবুজ।
for the green ones. I bet some of you saw green leaves.
They look quite dark
Oh.
on the way over the chair.
Have to keep it down.
Are you helping, Aiden?
Already again.
Are you helping? Guys, do you think it's funny? I don't think it's funny. Okay, now you can stop. Here is our fruit yacht. It is fruit yacht. Here is the bench with the bucket. A lot of things. This is where the apples is. There's some more apples. And this is me. The tree and Hi, Aiden Crazy. Hi, Aiden Crazy. I'm gonna change his name to Aiden Crazy. Hi, Aiden Crazy. Okay, let's go. Let's go and see the chickens. Chicken. There's an army. You can't touch it. It's an electricity. Here is the chicken. With his 4 other friends. 3 other
একটা
friends.
মুরগি সৃষ্টির আঙুলে কামড়ে দিয়েছিল।
Together. He's eating my hand. Look, he eats my hand. He bites my hand. Look, I really love this. Look at his hair. Aiden?
Wooden plates in here.
Yep, we're making apple juice.
No panic. Right. Consumption. Yeah. You're warm enough, by the way, with your hands and everything.
Try some, see if you like it.
Yeah, notice it.
Some for you.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
I just had some with Christina because she had a tape from the other day, so I don't need.
ফ্রেশ অ্যাপেল জুস কিন্তু সত্যি খেতে খুব ভালো।
Drinking apple juice. If you're wondering, we're drinking apple juice.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবেন আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকবেন। ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলো কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন। বাই।